Now, Ecovacs has been redefining smart home cleaning, and today we are going big. A full lineup review featuring the Deebot X8, T50 Max, T50 Pro, T80, X9, and the Flagship X11. And if you're wondering which one fits your lifestyle and budget, this deep dive will cover everything from design, suction power, mopping, innovations, AR smarts, and real world performance. Now, all Ecovacs models share a minimalist design, but each has its own personality. The X8 is compact and functional. The T50 series pushes value with sleek curves. The T80 adds premium build quality. Then there's the X9 with its futuristic docking base. And the X11, designed to look like a piece of modern furniture rather than an appliance. Now, from X8's dual turbine design to the monster 19,500 PA suction of the X11, Ecovacs clearly scales cleaning performance across the lineup. Now, even mid-range models like T50 series handled everyday messes with ease, while the X11 tackled deep carpet debris without multiple passes. Now, Ecovacs didn't stop at suction. Each step brings smarter, deeper mopping. By the time you reach X9 and X11, you're looking at hot water mop washing. It also has auto drying and smart dirt detection that makes old school mopping obsolete. Now, the real magic is in Ecovacs AI. The T80 was the first to feel aware of its surroundings. The X9 introduced AI vision, recognizing shoes, cables, even pet toys. And the X11, it's a leap. Learning your home layout and adjusting cleaning strategies like a true robot butler. Now, docking stations are now the centerpiece. The X11 is basically a full-service pit stop for your robot, emptying, washing, refilling, and drying without you lifting a finger for weeks. Now, we stress test all 6 models across hardwood, tile, rugs, and high-pile carpets. The T50 Max or Pro are great budget heroes, while the T80 impressed with balance. But if you want true hands-off luxury, the X9 and X11 perform flawlessly, leaving even tough messes spotless. Now, Ecovacs has a tier for everyone. The X8 gives you dual turbine performance at entry-level pricing. The T50 Max and Pro bring mid-tier muscle. And the T80 is the premium sweet spot. And for those who want the best of the best, from Ecovacs, the X9 and the X11 stands at the top. So, which Ecovacs is right for you? If you're just getting started, the X8 or T50 series will surprise you. For a premium without breaking the bank, the T80 is an easy pick. But for the ultimate AI-powering cleaning experience, the X9 and especially the X11 are simply unmatched. Now I'll link everything in the description below if you want to learn more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which Deebot you trust in your home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!